Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into this pizza giant's latest update, and let's just say some slices might be getting a bit bigger while others are being handed over entirely. This is Papa John's International Incorporated filing a current report to let everyone know what is going on. Think of it like a quick bulletin from the company for shareholders and anyone keeping an eye on their business. The company trades under the ticker BASA on the Nasdaq exchange. This filing is dated the 25th of November 2025, and it is all about a recent business move they've made. The big news here is that Papa John's has refranchised, which basically means they've sold off restaurants that were previously owned and operated by a joint venture called Colonel's Limited Incorporated. This was a partnership between Papa John's and another company called Steeplechase Express Incorporated. They've attached a press release about this deal as an exhibit to this filing. So, what does refranchising actually mean for a company like Papa John's? Well, it typically means they are shifting from owning and operating a lot of their individual stores to letting other people or companies own and run them. When a company does this, it can signal a few things. First, it might be a strategic move to reduce the amount of money they have tied up in physical locations and direct store operations. This frees up capital that can be used for other things like marketing expansion into new areas or developing new products. It also means they can focus more on the big picture stuff like branding and overall strategy rather than day-to-day store management. Secondly, selling these restaurants can bring in immediate cash. For Papa John's, selling off these Colonel's Limited LLC locations means they are simplifying their ownership structure. This can streamline operations and make reporting easier. It is like tidying up your house by letting someone else take care of a specific room. Now, while this filing doesn't go deep into financial numbers like a quarterly report would, the fact that they are refranchising these specific restaurants is noteworthy. It hints at a calculated strategy to reshape their business model. If we look at their stock, PODSA, on the Nasdaq, these kinds of strategic shifts are exactly what investors are watching for. Think about it. Owning stores means you deal with all the costs, staffing, rent, and day-to-day headaches. When you refranchise, you still earn money from these locations, usually through royalties and fees from the new owners, but you shed a lot of the direct operational risk and overhead. This can lead to a more stable and predictable revenue stream. This move might also be a way for Papa John's to become more nimble. In the very competitive fast food landscape, being able to adapt quickly is key. By reducing their own store footprint, they can potentially move faster into new markets or test out new concepts without the same level of investment and commitment. It is also worth considering the timing. We're in late 2025 and the food industry is always evolving. Consumer tastes change. Delivery services are crucial, and staying ahead of the curve is vital. A strategic refranchising like this can be a powerful tool in that ongoing adaptation. So, what is my take on this announcement? Well, on the surface, this looks like a smart move for Papa John's. They are focusing on their core strengths, which are brand building and overall business strategy rather than managing individual store operations. This refranchising of Colonel's Limited Incorporated stores should free up capital, reduce some of their operational burden, and potentially lead to a more focused and profitable business in the long run. The key will be to see how they deploy the freed up capital and how the royalty streams from these newly franchised locations perform. If they can continue to grow their brand reach and innovate while maintaining strong relationships with their franchisees, this could be a significant positive step. Alright, that is our quick decode of this Papa John's filing. What is your take on this refranchising strategy? Do you think it is a recipe for success or something else? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more straight talk from corporate filings. Don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more discussions and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next decode.